so the bells will sound deeper. John is still going to be setting that beat. June here is still going to be leading to that beat, and everybody else will be ringing to an 8-bell rhythm now rather than a 6-bell rhythm, and again trying to keep a gap, the same gap in between each bell, so it sounds rhythmical. Okay, so I'm just going to ask you, I'm going to just come back just slightly. Can you just stand, is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect.
Steve, would you talk from over there?
Yeah, I'm going to come stand just here.
Can I throw a quick one in? The bells, in 1513, on the 10th of August, the bells would undoubtedly have been rung. There wouldn't have been so many, and they wouldn't have been rung like this.
They would not have been like this.
Probably just a rope.
It started in around about the early 1600s. They started to ring full circle ringing. The first full pill was rung in 1715. The first full pill. The Society of College Youths was founded in 1634.
That first pill being run in 1690.
Really, the first actual full pill circle ringing. So it's the sort of late 1600s when they added, because the bells were, if I'm right in saying so, the bells were on half wheels, and it was in the late 1600s that they put them in on full forward. And it is a unique English thing. So when you go into the continent, the bells are not rung this way, and it's only really where English people have gone and settled that ringing is done like this. So if you go to America, there's quite a few towers now in America that have got full circle ringing. Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. There's also some full change ringing. But in Europe, in continental Europe, in Europe, other than in the Netherlands, where there is the one church in the Netherlands that has a tower outside that has bells rung full circle. So sorry.
What in Africa?
Yeah, South Africa. So yeah, there's a few in Africa as well.
Hawaii.
But again, yes, Hawaii. There's one church in Hawaii. Yeah. I'm going to stand here. Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, ready then? Look 2, treble's going, treble's gone. There's a door, we can't get in anymore, but another thing which is trying to go any further.
But I mean, who would want to go up on their own anyway? So everybody's looking at the person to their right.
Yeah,
except you're looking at the last person.
Yeah.
But if you notice when we were ringing those changes, our eyes were going all over.
Yeah.
Going all over the place.
People were moving their bells around.
But it's so split second. It's road
You
side.
have to be able to see how many bells are pulling down in front of you.
But it's such split second though.
Yes, that's the more that you do. You know, like when you show a child a handful of sweets, quite often they'll say there were 4 there or 5 there without counting.
Yeah.
It's developing that sort of skill.
Instant. Yeah. It's like a language.
Steve?
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, so can I ask you just to come and stand just inside there? Thank you very much. What I'm going to do now, as I said earlier, I'm going to get this bell from the up position down into the lower position. And basically, I'm just not going to pull it. I'm going to let it try and come down. I'm going to try and stop it. It should happen with gravity, just to make it a bit quicker. So I'm just not going to pull. I'm going to let it come down and just keep bringing in the rope like this. And just as it goes up, back stroke, just put a bit of weight on it, just to stop it going right the way up. Of course, I'll try and do it properly.
I just come off
the step now.
Oh my god, that looks
so basically what happened, so basically,
yes, June is central office now. Well, I was doing very tactfully saying, I don't need me.
now, the bell is
Yeah, so
safe.
Steve, the bell's like that. Yeah, we do
Okay,
that.
fine, we will do that.
So the bell's like that,
Yeah.
and now it's
Exactly.
like that. Which makes it nice and safe.
But the thing, and I will say one thing, this is the sort of safety aspect, as you can now see, when you walk into a church, into a tower, and you're faced with a set of ropes, if you didn't know which of these two was safe to pull and which one was dangerous to pull, you don't know. Which is why we say whenever you go into a church, it's better just not to touch the ropes unless you know what to do. Because you don't know. We never know either. If we turn up at a church to ring and we're not met by anybody, but we know we've got to ring, we all have to just check them first to see whether they're up or down, because we don't know. You can't tell just by looking at the ropes. Well, what you would do is you just go in, you take the rope as if you're going to ring, and then you just pull gently on there, and then if it swings, you know it's down, but then if it doesn't swing, you feel it come off the balance, you know it's up. So, right, because it is quite small, we really can only do 3